Let's get right into the video, friends. First up, from Microsoft, we are looking at their Surface Pro, their Copilot Plus. Now, this is a 13-inch tablet here, 16 gigs of memory, 1 terabyte hard drive, has that Windows 11, the Copilot Plus. Now, this also has a Snapdragon X Plus here, so that's a 10-core processor. It's 2880 by 1920. It's a touchscreen, $400 off the price, bringing it down to $1,199.99. We also have the HP 16-inch touchscreen laptop. This does have the Intel Core processor, i5, 16 gigs of memory, 1 terabyte hard drive, 1920 by 1200 resolution, IPS, also has Wi-Fi 6. They're taking $200 off the tag, bringing it down to $599.99. And welcome back to the channel, friends. I'm Paul, and you're watching The Deal Finder. We uncover the best deals here at Costco and Amazon every week. And we do have an exciting video for you today because Costco has just released their new sales book for the month, the instant savings and everyday values. We have a bunch of items, so this may be a two-part video. So follow along. Let's see what else we can find here at the warehouse. And remember, friends, these deals are valid to February 23rd. And one of my favorites for our little ones at home, we have That's It. These are the mini fruit bars. We do get a 24 count here. Now, what's special about these fruit bars, they're only 2 ingredients. That's it. We do get a variety pack here. They're Bobby approved, non-GMO. We have a variety pack, 8 strawberry, 8 mango, and 8 blueberry, 60 calories per piece, only 2 ingredients, just pretty much apple and strawberry or mango or blueberry. Check out this price. They're taking $4 off, bringing it down to $9.99. Not only is today Costco's new sales book, but today is also the Lunar New Year. So happy New Year to everyone, 2025. We are looking at the Japanese barbecue sauce right in front of us from Bachan's, a 34-ounce bottle here, non-GMO. A lot of people love this barbecue sauce. It's delicious. Now, it does have 35 calories per serving, 8 grams of carbs, 7 grams of added sugar, and 0 grams of protein. Delicious stuff. Definitely try it out if you never tried it. $3 off the price, bringing it down to $6.89. So next up from Lenovo, we're looking at the Idea Center. This is their 27-inch all-in-one touchscreen desktop computer. Now, this does have the AMD Ryzen 5 1920 by 1080 resolution, so it does have that full HD, Windows 11, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte solid-state hard drive. Now, this does include the keyboard and mouse. Now, keep in mind, friends, if you do see one at the warehouse that's pretty much identical to this one, the packaging, everything, make sure you pick up the one that's on clearance. It has much better specs than this one. This one on sale here at the warehouse, they're taking $150 off the price, bringing it down to $649.99. So we also have the Hurley men's fleece joggers and the matching crew neck sweatshirts. So the joggers are taking $3 off. We have blue, green, and gray, small through double XL. Same thing for the crew neck sweatshirts. They look very nice, decent, pretty thin, but they have a nice embroidered patch on them, or embroidered logo, shall I say. The joggers, $14.99. The crew neck sweatshirt, $13.99. So next we have the Shark Cordless Pro Vacuum that does have the CleanSense IQ. Some of you may be asking, what exactly is that? Pretty simple. When you are vacuuming, the Shark can detect how much power to give the machine, how much power is needed to suck that dirt up. So it can actually automatically boost your power up to 50%. That way it can pick up all the debris off the ground. You don't need to hit any extra buttons. Anytime you go over the debris, the Shark can automatically boost the power when needed. That way it can suck up all the dirt off the floor. Now, this does have a run time for up to 40 minutes, a nice LED display. They're taking $60 off the price, $219.99. It's also available at Costco.com for the same exact price. And also from Shark, we're looking at their Matrix Plus right in front of us. Now, this is a robot vacuum, once again, back on sale. Has that self-empty HEPA base. It's bagless and a 30-day capacity as well. This also has the Matrix Clean, so that means no spots will be missed because it goes back and forth with that multi-pass coverage. Has that Clean Edge Detect, which is pretty nice. $90 off the price, bringing it down to $259.99. A good amount of Shark products in Costco's new sales book. We also have their Performance Plus, their Lift Away vacuum right in front of us. Now, this does have that odor neutralizer technology. A lot of people love this vacuum, a lot of good reviews. So this vacuum turns from an upright vacuum. You can pull it right apart and turn it into a handheld vacuum. That way you can do your stair runners, you can do your couch, your sofa, your recliner. Pulls right apart and turns into a compact vacuum. It's $70 off, $219.99. And moving along to my left, we have the Samsonite. This is their two-piece hard side set, also known as the Element XLT. Now the set does include a carry-on and a check-in bag. So the check-in bag we can see on display looks amazing. This also does feature a nice interior that's made almost completely out of recycled materials. Now these bags have pretty much everything you need for a stress-free trip. Also has the easy hook system right there below the handle. You can attach a bag, a tote, right to the front of the case for the convenience. They're taking $50 off the price, $149.99. So just below the price sign, Philips is claiming up to 15 times healthier gums in just 2 weeks using their Sonicare toothbrush. Now this is our professional clean electric toothbrush. It's rechargeable, obviously. We do get a 2-pack here. We get the white and we get the black. Now these have pressure sensors in them. Also, it has a brush head replacement indicator. 3 different modes, the clean, white, and the gum care. Also has 3 different intensities. If you don't like this color combo with the 2 different colors, you can head over to Costco.com. They have the dual whites if that's what you prefer instead. They are taking $40 off the price, bringing the price down to $129.99. Pretty much all these products that I just showed you in this little segment are all available at Costco.com for the same exact price. And we do have another one from Shark. This time we're looking at their WandVac. Now this is their Power Pet cordless handheld vacuum. A lot of people love it. Very powerful, lots of boost, lots of suction. It's good for tough messes. It only weighs 1.5 pounds, so it's super lightweight, super convenient. A lot of people use it. This does include 2 cleaning tool attachments, a charging dock, storage. So people love it because it's so lightweight. They find themselves using it a lot more. Anytime a little mess comes about, they just grab this, vacuum it right up, 1, 2, 3, $20 off, $79.99. And once again, from Philips Sonicare, we have the replacement electric toothbrush heads. Now in the green, we have the Diamond Clean. Now this does remove up to 100% more stains than a manual toothbrush. Whiter teeth in just 1 week, 7 days. Pretty strong claims here. Removes up to 7 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush. Right here in the blue, we have the Premium Plaque Control. Now this does have 10 times more plaque removal than a manual toothbrush. These are pretty strong claims. Let me know in the comment section below. Are you a fan of Philips or are you a fan of Oral-B? They're taking $15 off, bringing the price to $49.99. And I kid you not, we have another product from Ninja. This time we have the Foodie, their extra large air fryer. It's a 6-in-1 with a 10-quart capacity, dual zone technology. It's a 10-quart. Why? Because it has 2 5-quart baskets, a total of 10 quarts, 6 functions. You can air fry, roast, bake, reheat, etc., etc. It's not too deep, so it is a pretty decent size. Temperatures up to 400 degrees, 2 broiler racks, 2 crisp plates, and they're taking $30 off the price, bringing the price down to $119.99. It's available at Costco.com for $10 more. Heading over to the prepared foods from Snapdragon, we have their chicken pad thai, boneless white chicken breast, rice noodles, bell peppers, bean sprouts, all in a sweet, tangy stir-fry sauce. It does have 20 grams of protein per serving, but let's have a look at the rest of the macros. Here it is, 330 calories for 1 cup, 37 grams of carbs, 10 grams of added sugar, and 20 grams of protein. We get 2 pounds, $4 off, $9.99. And now, right in front of us, we have the Amy Lou Chicken Breakfast Sausage Links, 2.5 pounds here. Now, these have no nitrites, no nitrates in them, paleo, gluten-free, pork-free, no celery juice, no celery powder, 12 grams of protein, 130 calories. Now, these look pretty delicious. Now, if you didn't know, Amy Lou pretty has some clean ingredients in their products. I do like them. I've never tried these before. If you have, leave a comment below. 130 calories for 3 links here, 13 grams of protein, and they are taking $3.50 off, $9.99. And now to my right, let me get around this pole, this big fire pole in the middle of nowhere. We have the Sabatinos, the paleo organic chicken sausage. Now these do come in a 12 count. They're smoked. They look pretty good. USDA organic. Pretty much every ingredient in this is organic, gluten-free, keto, no nitrites, no nitrates, chicken raised, has no celery juice, no celery powder. Pretty clean, 160 calories per sausage, 1 carb, 16 grams of protein. Not bad at all. $4.50 off, $10.49 for 2.25 pounds. And now we have the Mandarin Orange Chicken. This is the battered chicken breast with rib meat, Mandarin Orange sauce as well, 13 grams of protein. Toss these in the air fryer and they will come out like restaurant quality. That's their claim here. Now it does have, let's see, 260 calories for 1 cup, 35 grams of carbs, 14 grams of sugar, and 13 grams of protein. They are giving us $4.70 off the price, $10.99. That's for 66 ounces. Also, just up ahead, we have the very popular drink here from Palm. We have their 100% antioxidant pomegranate juice. Now, you can also make yourself a nice electrolyte drink if you'd like. Dilute a little bit of this with water. Have some salt with it in the morning, maybe some mineral salt, some Celtic or Redmond salt, and there you go. Now, we have $3 off, bringing the price down to $6.99. And if you are enjoying today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you did enjoy today's video, if you can hit the thumbs up button before you click off, I would appreciate it. Also, follow me over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder for those giveaways. Right in front of us, we have the Bounty paper towels, and look how many are already gone. Costco's has only been open for about 1 hour now, and look how many are already gone. It's getting pretty busy here at the warehouse. $5 off, $19.99. So we also have a couple of yogurts on sale. Let's go find those back in the coolers. We have the Nusan right here. So these are whole milk yogurts. I do believe they're Australian. Correct me if I'm wrong. Now we also get a 12-pack here made with real fruit. I like the packaging. They look pretty delicious. They make me want to try one. What do we get? We get 4 blueberry, 4 lemon, and 4 strawberry. They look amazing. I like the colors. I like the packaging. They make me want to try it. Let me know in the comment section below, have you tried these? 140 calories per serving, 16 carbs, 8 grams of sugar, and 5 grams of protein. They're giving us a $3.30 off the price, bringing it down to $6.69. And we also have the very popular Oikos here, the 000. A lot of people love this, especially if they're cutting. We have 0 added sugar, 0 sweeteners, and 0 fat here. The 000s, 15 grams of protein per serving. A total of 18 yogurts. We get 6 strawberry, 6 mixed berry, and 6 vanilla. Now this is a 000. It doesn't mean it has 0 calories. Obviously it has calories. 90 calories per serving here. 7 carbs, no sugar, 15 grams of protein. We went over that again. Now let's have a look at that price. Give me 1 second. I gotta go to the other cooler now. And here it is. So here we go. $4 off, $8.89. So we also have the Tyson crispy chicken strips available as well. Now we do get a big bag here. It's 48 ounces total. Now these are 100% made with all natural ingredients. They also are fully cooked. It's breaded breast here with rib meat. So 14 grams of protein per serving. Give me 1 second to turn it around. No preservatives, no antibiotics. 190 calories for 3 ounces. 15 grams of carbs, 14 grams of protein. $4.50 off, bringing the price down to $10.49. And now next up from Stacy's, we have the organic Simply Naked pita chips. Look at the size of this bag, a huge bag, 28 ounces totals. Let's have a look at the back. Let's read those macros. 130 calories for about 10 chips, 19 grams of carb, less than 1 gram of fiber, 3 grams of protein, and it does have sunflower oil in it. Let's have a look at the price. $2 off, $5.99. And now next up from the Tattooed Chef, we have their organic riced cauliflower. Now this is their stir fry. We get a 4 count here. Each count is 12 ounces. Now this is cauliflower rice mixed with corn, peas, red bell peppers, and is tossed in a sesame seed, a ginger sauce. Or sesame ginger sauce, excuse me. Now, I do like the brand Tattoo Chef. They have a mixed vegetable bag that's also amazing. If you haven't tried it, try it. 60 calories per serving, 8 carbs, and 3 grams of protein. Nice macros, nice ingredients, nice product here. $2.40 off, $5.29. And now we have the Hellmann's Real Mayonnaise here. Check out the size of this container, 64 ounces. They are taking $2.80 off. Now these are rich in omega-3s. It has 90 calories per serving, 90 milligrams of sodium here, no sugar, no carbs. But let's have a look at that price. They're taking $2.80 off, bringing the price down to $6.69. And now from Lysol, we have their disinfectant spray. We have a 3-pack here. Each can is 19 ounces, kills 99% of bacteria and viruses. Salmonella, RSV, staph, strep, you name it, it kills it. Even eliminates odors as well. They're taking $3.50 off, bringing the price down to $12.49. Every time Costco releases their new sales book for the month, it's always super busy that first day at the warehouse today. It's only 11:15 a.m. and it's already super packed here. Very, very busy. Every time I take out the camera, I'm just in the way. So I am going to try to speed this up, come back tomorrow, film a few more items and make the part 2. Right in front of us, we have the Airwick, the scented oils, 1 warmer, 9 refills. Each bottle lasts about 70 days, infused with natural oils. $4.50 off, $13.49. So I did get a couple of comments my last video asking me about OLED TVs, and I did want to show you 2 great options here at Costco. The picture quality are amazing on these. We have the LG B4, which is your budget-friendly OLED, especially when it comes to OLED. This product has been discontinued. You can see the star in the top right corner. Keep your eye out on this product. It's definitely going to drop on clearance because they need to move it. The new model is coming out. This is the LG B4. This would be your budget-friendly OLED TV with 120 hertz at $1,800. If you want to spend a little bit more money, you like movies, you like TV shows, and you really appreciate picture quality, check out the C4. It's absolutely stunning. The picture quality is amazing. We have the 65-inch in the bottom, that's $1,500, and then the 77-inch up top, that's $2,200. Also, Costco does sell an even better OLED TV from Samsung. If you want to know more about that one, leave a comment below. We have the C4 and the B4. Both of them are amazing. You really can't go wrong. I believe the B4 should go on clearance in about a month. And in today's video, I'm shopping over at the Waltham, Massachusetts location. I'm looking for the sparkling ice over in the drink section, and I can't find it. I keep on doing laps over and over, and I keep on thinking I'm walking by it, but I'm not. I take out my phone because I started to question myself. Is it on sale? And it is. Here it is. I finally found it. $11.69 for the 24-pack, and the same thing for the LaCroix. I couldn't find it anywhere. The variety pack, 24 cans. Here it is, $7.99. And guess where Costco decided to put these items? Yep, over in the drink section. So I've just finished my 7th month on YouTube. I made over 195 videos, and I pretty much come to Costco almost every single day except for the weekends. And I've never seen a store so messy, so unorganized. Nothing was where it belonged. I couldn't find stuff in the sales book. I've never seen that before. If your Costco is like that, leave a comment below. So here's the plan for tomorrow. We'll head to Boston. We'll stop by Demet's. We'll get a cup of coffee. We'll head to Costco. We'll film, get the part 2 done. We'll go home. We'll edit. We'll put it up on YouTube. And then we'll go from there. On a day like today, Costco should have been squared away. Day 1 of the sales book, of the coupon book. And don't keep in mind, it's also New Year's. The store should have been perfect, in my opinion. But it wasn't. Maybe they were shorthanded. I don't know. We'll have a new video for tomorrow, friends, the part 2. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget, Happy New Year. Peace.